This is, ladies and gentlemen, the frozen Skittle Kiwi Banana Margarita. A lot of stuff going on in here. Let's begin with some Skittles. Kiwi Banana Skittles. Okay, that's a particular flavor that we went through and we picked out. Come behind with a bit of tequila. We're using tequila. Remember, this is a margarita. Margaritas feature tequila. Okay, pour in our tequila. Seal this bad boy up. Give it a nice little shaking. Our Skittles dissolve. Alright, ice in our glass. Now we come behind with our Skittle Kiwi Banana. Vodka, tequila, not vodka, because you can do this with vodka too. Cream of coconut. So this is kind of like a pina colada right now, if you ask me. A banana kiwi pina colada. Pour it in our glass. Little kiwi slice on the side.